guys ready?
Beautiful Gold Beach, Oregon. Stay with us at Oceanside RV Park.
It's just an epic piece of coastline.
The Siskiyou National Forest is unique in Oregon. This section's a temperate rainforest, so the biology, the flora of this place is amazing. I mean, it's just incredible, all the different things that live here.
A lot of great hikes up the river that are all levels of skill.
Sun is up, it's a perfect day.
You know, they're going to see the redwoods.
I mean, there's just tons of stuff here that are really good.
Stay with us at Oceanside RV Park.